Why does it keep raising its hands like that?
Gate problem. No more gates.
No more gates, kid.
Reverse.
Why does it keep doing that?
Drive through that. Oh.
Oh, I can't even go up a simple thing.
You're getting some mad torque twist going.
I know, right?
You just drive right through it like it ain't nothing though. Yes, Curtis, yes!
No way.
Oh no!
No!
No! You got points for a rollover. Now one more reverse.
Oh. So you're breaking axle shaft?
Something will turn in.
Where'd my tire come loose?
Yeah, right there. He's not driving in it.
Nope. Nope. I'll call it. It's gonna be rollover anyways.
Yeah, that'll point it.
I'll point him out.
Yeah, go cameraman.
Nope, I'll go this way. Reverse.
Reverse.
Guess I should have went on top. Go on top.
It's pretty grippy fucking rock out here.
Reverse.
You should have came in more to the right. One pass. Yeah, there you go. Come on. You need to be even more faster. Oh, no.
Get your Dave.
On the shot.
Yeah. That's what I was talking. Get over here. You need to stay more on that other rock, man.
How much time?
4:15.
Come on, reverse.
First again. Okay, stay on that rock here. See what I'm saying? Reverse. take the gate. You got this. Just stay on that rock.
On the right side.
To the right side is what I would say.
Dude, that's steep.
I mean, for now, yeah, you might as well take it now. 369. Go, cameraman, go.
Tony got me good.
Huh?
Tony really got me good.
Sorry, you're down to 8 points. Wonder why I didn't see it. Making it too hard, huh?
Yeah. It happened. Oh, I guess like these.
You're at a minute 30. Yeah, you got a minute 15.
That's how hard my bonus is.
15th. August.
Yeah.
Oh, is that a new body? Alright, good. Alright.
240.
Thank you. No, the brain keeps heading in. Timer?
155. 150.
It's not messing around, huh? Bonus number 2.
Cones are spooky.
I'll reach 130.
Make that one spin?
By luck.
Yeah.
Just throttled and hoped for the best. It's like
155.
Yeah, well, I gotta try it.
150.
you get the whole day. Nice.
I need
130. 130.
Phew, I needed that bonus after hitting that gate.
39.
Needed 39.
Yeah, on you.
You got lucky, Kate. I got lucky, baby.
I'm just gonna mosey on by. You leave, huh?
Never mind. $450. Stay high on that.
Yeah, I think. Oh my goodness. Oh. That's how you do it. Yeah.
405. Weird, why is it?
Waving to the crowd. Look at me, look at me. No. Drive it from the bottom. Roll over.
$320.
Ah, I touched it.
Gate down the
That was quick.
on you, boss.
There, top down. That might not be safe. got it better than I thought. Getting buttons for up there. Right on, giving me extra time. I love it.
Because I was just in awe. That two reverses right there?
No, that's one big one. Might be in bad shape here. We'll take another reverse there.
Good call.
Come on, Azad. Pause time?
So you can keep it just running.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, yeah.
Run
All
for
right,
like
you
5
ready?
seconds.
All right, let's go. Come on.
4 minutes.
Get up there. Damn it.
Yeah, good jumping like that from the top.
I know, I'm trying to think of how to get over there. All right, reverse. How we doing on time?
3:30.
There's two reverses there. Oh my god, dude, I'm not looking good on this one either. Yeah, I need some weight back there.
$250.
We got a lot of reverses on this one. I should have known better. My shit's all sticky all of a sudden. Not as close as you can get.
Yep. $210. Two minutes. $140. You got 18 usable points.
Oh, boy. Oh.
50 seconds. What kind of wizardry is going on now?
Come on, friend, let's slide over.
30 seconds.
Holy fuck.
Nice job.
20 seconds. Yay.
Y'all, double gate.
Oh,
I started freaking out.
15 seconds left right there.
it's alright. Cool people don't finish courses anyway.
So plus 40.
Cool people don't finish courses anyway.
Pretty nice out here.
The boat's like
Buddy's
jumping
getting
up on my head. I feel like somebody's like tugging on the back of my hat.
tuggy tuggy.
Okay. Good?
Yep.
Navy.
There's a way up over by 10.
There's a way up right here.
We gotta reverse that.
Oh, let me get shit out of the way. I guess you could have went up right here.
Does that look like it's climbable from down there?
Yeah, looks like
I was thinking of setting the gate there.
it's doable. I'm gonna fall down on purpose.
You're so snappy in reverse. God. Take it easy.
Doing it smart way. Could circle all the way around the floor and maybe get lined up better.
Backwards.
Yeah, that's progress. You had progress before you got there.
Okay.
Are you reversing now?
Yeah, one reverse.
Yeah, you're at 240. So you might even be able to drive into that.
Do it right here.
Go a long way
2-speed? Could just fall off.
That'd be fine.
Taking too long. Put it in gear,
Yeah,
Jay.
they get easier. Side 7, dude. Who's the motherfucker? I was shocked I made 7.
Uh-oh.
Look at that. That's some trust right there. Minute 25.
Oh, 6.
Reverse.
Stupid fucking thing. Oh, wow.
Wait a minute. Not wasting any time there. Gate in progress on 7. You're at 38 seconds.
Oh shit.
Jeez.
Dude,
Oh,
clean.
progress.
Clean.
That was clean.
30 seconds. Go, Nick, go!
Okay, yeah.
Reverse on.
You have plenty of points to take it too if you. 15 seconds, reverse. Right now you gotta make this one clean though. You're at 7 points. Ooh-wee.
Oh boy.
Oh,
Oh, crap.
Alright.
ready?
Yep.
This time my tires won't break.
Change them all over or
No,
just?
just reverse. Oh,
You just jinxed yourself.
oh. Oh no.
How many reverses are in there now? That you're taking?
Oh, my battery's dead. That's what's going on.
Another one to change it to?
Yeah.
Relieve time running on course, huh?
Yeah. We'll film him so he doesn't feel any pressure.
Stop buzzing at me. No. Okay, we're good. Gate 1?
You can go the other way if you would like.
Yes, thank you. Alright, ready?
Yeah. Bound right over there.
One long dip reverse. No! Reverse.
Reverse. Just reverse the force. Reverse.
Oh, I think I got something. I got a link broken. That's what I got broken.
Oh yeah, look at that. You running plastic bits on there?
Or another reverse.
Yeah. I can't tell which one though. It must be an upper.
I'm gonna make it up. Another reverse.
Yeah, 445 or 345.
Plenty of time.
On any other course, probably.
Why don't you just want to go up? I'll call it.
Did it just come unbolted or did it actually break?
It just came unbolted.
Just need a screw.
Yeah.
Sweet, I got screws.
I got screws too.
That's in there.
Well, that's not the way I was planning on going up though. Right back at you, right?
$340. Oh.
Oh man.
I think I got most of these things.
Come on, Marianne, settle down.
It is unreal how you're just stay there like that.
Reverse.
220.
Don't be stupid.
Oh. We have 22 points in there.
Maybe come around this side
Maybe back into it.
and then turn up to it right here.
Yeah, also looking at that way too.
why it gets so heavy in reverse. Well, I think it's this radio.
Seconds. Get out the way. Reverse. There you go. 15 seconds. Already. 7. 7. 8. 8. Alright, you gotta make them clean from here on out.
Oh! I think you went through gate 9 when he said timed out.
Well, as soon as it beeps.
Oh.
Was he through before it beeped? I wasn't over there, so.
Starting past video.
Ooh.
No, no.
Reverse.
Come on.
Is that where all the time is going? 3 minutes.
Dude, all the time every day on this.
That was like every course so far. Except the first one.
Oh, come on.
Yeah, that's super easy gate.
Okay. Progress.
Come on, trucky trusty.
There's 5. Two minutes. Okay. Oh, Roger. You got a minute and a half. No more gates.
No more gates. No more rollover either. I can roll over.
How'd you tip right there?
No more gates.
No more reverses either.
No more rollovers either.
Right here. I'll go through and stick. Oh.
See how this pans out. Settle down, ass end. Yep.
Getting all tricky with the nose standies.
Oh, that was a. Uh-oh. Take that reverse.
Okay.
Come on. Come on. Come on. You are not doing what I want you to do. Come on, good and go, guys. Good and go.
Obviously.
Keep that so you can get ready.
Yeah. Nice.
Go down.
Oh, this here goes straight this way here. I'm getting nervous on time.
Yeah, 3 minutes. Over 5. 6.
All right, pause time.
Yep. You're at 213.
7's that way. All right, you ready?
Yep. Seven. Minute 28.
This is probably my downfall right here.
Actually on that
I got some
keep your pack, yeah, your pack around that. There you go.
nice log. Bonus. 25 seconds. Boom. 18 seconds.
How long?
18. 10. 5. Oh! Good job.